Hello students, in this video we are going to solve the problem of exercise 5.1. Let's see question number 1, that is given that find the complement of each of the following angles. As we know that what do we mean by complementary? Two angles are called complementary if their sum is 90 degree. So here one angle is given that 20 degree. So we have to find the complement of 20 degree. So what is the complement of 20 degree? That will be 90 degree minus 20 degree is equal to 70 degree. So 70 degree is the complement of 20 degree. Okay, this is first. Like the second one, we have to find the complement of 63 degree. So 90 degree minus 63 degree is equal to subtract it 27 degree. Okay, so this is complement of 63 degree. Like that you can find the complement of 57 degree. How you find the complement of 57 degree? Subtract 57 from 90. So 90 degree minus 57 degree is equal to 33 degree. So 70 degree is the complement of 20 degree. 27 degree is the complement of 63 degree. 33 degree is the complement of 57 degree. When we will add them, so we get 90 degree. Second, they are given that find the supplement of each of the following. So student, as we know that in last video we have studied two angles are called supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. So if one angle is given, so how will find the supplement of the given angles? So children, we will subtract the given angle from 180 degree. So we get the angle which is supplement of the given angle. So first one, here given angle is 105 degree. We have to find the supplement of 105 degree. So we will subtract 105 from 180. So 180 minus 105. We will subtract it. So what we get? 75 degree. So 75 degree is the supplement of 105 degree. Why? Because when we will add them, so we get 180 degree. Now second one. Second is given there 87 degree. So we have to find the supplement of 87 degree. So subtract 87 degree from 180. So what we get? 93 degree. Okay. Third one. Here given that 154 degree. We have to find the supplement of 154 degree. So we have to subtract 154 from 180. So 180 degree minus 154 degree. When we subtract it, so we get 26 degree. So 26 degree is the supplement of 154 degree. In question number 3, given that identify which of the following pairs of angles. Which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary. Children, if the sum of given angles is 180 degree, then that pair will call supplement, and if the sum of given pairs are 90 degree, then that is complementary. So first one is given that 65 degree and 115 degree. We will add them. So 65 degree plus 115 degree is what we get? We get 180 degree. So first pair of angles are complementary or supplementary? Its sum is 180 degree. So first one, this is supplementary. This pair of angles are supplementary. Supplementary. Okay. Second, 63 degree and 27 degree is given. So we will add them and we check the sum of the given pair of angles are 90 degree or 180 degree. When we will add the 63 degree and 27 degree, so we get that is 90 degree. It means the pair of these angles in 63 degree and 27 degree are supplementary or complementary? That is complementary. That is complementary. Like that, third, fourth and fifth you can do. Actually, in question number 4, this is given there. Find the angle which equal to its complement. So how we find the angle which is equal to its complement? So let us consider the angle which is equal to its complement, that is x. So let in solution, let the angle which equal to its complement that is x. If the angle which equal to its complement x, so what would be its complement? Complement will be also x. Okay. So children, so what is its complement? Complement angle is also equal to x. So sum of these two angles will be 90 degree. So x plus x is equal to 90 degree. Now 2x is equal to 90 degree. When we add x plus x, so we get 2x. Now x is equal to, children, by transposition law we get 90 degree upon 2, that is 45 degree. So the angle which equal to its complement is 45 degree. Clear? Here given that find the angle which is equal to its supplement. In last question we find the angle which is equal to its complement. So children, we will consider let us consider the angle which is equal to its complement. So supplement is there, to its supplement we consider that angle is x. If the angle we consider x, so its supplement will be also x. So children, x plus x is equal to, we know that the sum of angle is 180 degree, then that angles are supplement. So x plus x, that is 2x is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 degree divided by 2 by transposition, now we get 90 degree. So 90 degree is the angle which is equal to its supplement. So when we find the supplement of 90 degree, that will be also 90 degree. In the given figure, this figure is given, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. It means the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. If angle 1 is decreased, when change should be what change should be take place in angle 2 so that both angles still remain supplementary. So children, if angle 1 is decreased, this is angle 1, okay. If angle 1 is decreased like that, angle 1 is decreasing, so angle 2 is increasing, that's why they remain same, means they remain supplementary. Okay, if angle 2 is decreased, then angle 1 is increased. Angle 2 is decreased, then angle 1 is increased, then they remains same. Okay, as much as angle 1 is decreased, that much angle 2 should have increased so that the angles remain supplementary. So what we will write in the solution? If angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 should be increased as same measure so that both angles still remain supplementary. Okay, with the help of experiment you have seen, if we angle 1 decrease by 5 degree, so angle 2 increase by 5 degree. Okay, like that. Now, question number 7 is given there. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute or obtuse or right angles? So children, when both of them are acute, it means both angles less than 90 degree. So sum of that angle is always less than 180 degree. So that will not be a supplementary. So what you will write there? No, because sum of two acute angles is always less than 180 degree. That's why two acute angles never be supplementary. Second one, there are two angles obtuse angles. If two angles obtuse angle, so sum of that obtuse angle is always greater than 180 degree. Okay, so that is also not a supplementary. So what we will write there? No. Why? Because the sum of two obtuse angles is always greater than 180 degree. That's why two obtuse angle never be supplementary. Okay. Third one, right angle. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them right angles? Yes, as we know that right angle is the angle which is measured exactly 90 degree. That angle is called right angle. So children, when we will add two angle whose measure is 90 degree, that is 180 degree. So what we will write? Yes, because sum of two right angles is always 180 degree. That's why two right angles are supplementary. I hope you have enjoyed your class. In next class, we will solve the question 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of exercise 5.1. Thank you. Have a great day.